Unraveling Mysteries, The Plot Thickens. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing expression that often pops up in conversations, stories, and movies: the plot thickens. This phrase holds a special place in the English language, adding a layer of mystery and anticipation. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations and writings. At its core, the plot thickens is used when a situation becomes more complicated or interesting due to new developments. Imagine watching a detective story, and suddenly, a new piece of evidence comes to light, complicating everything you thought you knew. That's the perfect moment for this expression. It signals that the story is getting more intricate, and the stakes are getting higher. This expression has a rich history. It's believed to have originated from the world of literature and theater, where the complexity of a story's plot is crucial to keeping the audience engaged. The phrase itself is often attributed to the playwright Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, famous for his Sherlock Holmes stories, although variations of it have been used by authors and playwrights for centuries to describe the deepening complexity of their narratives. Using "the plot thickens" in your conversations can add a touch of drama or humor. It's perfect for when you're discussing personal anecdotes, news stories, or even when you're caught up in a bit of office gossip. For example, if a friend is telling you about a series of unexpected events in their day, you might respond with, "Ah, the plot thickens," to express your intrigue and eagerness to hear more. Like many expressions in English, the plot thickens can be tweaked to fit the situation. You might hear variations like, "the mystery deepens," or "things are getting more complicated." These variations carry the same spirit and are used interchangeably, depending on the speaker's preference and the context. And that wraps up our exploration of "the plot thickens." We hope you found this dive into one of English's captivating expressions both informative and entertaining. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the stories we tell and the ways we choose to tell them. So next time you find yourself in a situation where things are getting more complex, you'll know exactly what to say. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has thickened your interest in the English language.